We are on our way to Huntington Beach, Aunt Cindy.
Yay!
Say what's up.
What's up?
Start kicking off the vlog. It is Sunday, August 4th, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you ready, Mom? The 5th.
Sunday, August 5th.
Yep, you got us, Mom.
I'm putting on my sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
Sun.
There is our hotel, guys. We're staying at Homewood Suites.
What is that? Oh, it's my belt.
Guys, I'm beyond excited right now.
Towel.
We have arrived to Huntington Beach, and we got our sandwiches, we got our chips, umbrella, we got some water, some agua, H2O, one of the keys to success in life. And I am been asked to carry another. Say
Travis
what's up.
has the ice chest.
We got the ice chest. So yeah, this is a grand day. Here we are, guys, Huntington Beach, living the dream, enjoying it, vacation vibes. This is what, day 6? We out here. Yes. Woo! Huntington Beach. Here we go. We are walking, Aunt Cindy.
Hello.
Yes, we are at Huntington Beach. We made it out here. Living the life, living the dream right now. Enjoying. Look at this, the beautiful ocean. Woohoo! Oh man, we got a big wave coming right behind me. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh my goodness, that was a big wave. Dang, this is absolutely amazing. Woohoo! Woo! Look at these waves. Look at those. Those are ginormous. Absolutely amazing. Woo! Yeah. Dang, look at. Oh, he just went right through it. Here we are. We are at Huntington Beach, vacation vibes. Keeping the vibes well by the ocean. Yep. See?
Bands on the wall.
You see it? Bands off the wall. They getting that advertising.
Oh, yeah, they're off the wall. I forgot.
Off the wall. And
off the wall.
where are we going to dinner tonight, Mom?
Las Brisas.
Las Brisas in Laguna, overlooking the beach at sunset. That's the plan. That is where we are headed. Right now we are taking a nice little walk on the beach. Just enjoying life to the fullest right now. And yeah. Okay, it's good to go now.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
We're going out here now. Let's go.
There's Travis going out to catch the wave. Oh, yeah. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here's Travis.
Oh man, that one got me entirely. In case
Yeah?
you guys can't see.
Did you like it?
Yeah, that was awesome. Some of the biggest waves ever.
Are you gonna surf today?
Who knows?
Maybe. Okay.
Need to go riding. Yeah.
Get
You guys gotta be out here.
off the wall.
Yep.
All right.
Oh man, got a lot of salt. Seawater. Here we are. And Cindy introducing us to the famous macaroni grill.
Here we go.
We out here. You ready, Dan?
Yeah. Be careful.
We
don't fall down
about
with
to
the
try our luck. Yep, it would not be good to fall down on camera.